Welcome to EduTech. You'll learn how to speak confidently and naturally in your workplace. Listen carefully, read aloud, and repeat each line with me. Let's begin your journey to confident English communication.
Welcome to EduTech, your daily English learning partner. Here, we make English simple, fun, and practical through real-life conversations. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss your daily English lesson. Subscribing supports our educational family and helps you improve step by step.
Day 1 Daily Use English Conversations at Home. Good morning. Repeat now. Good morning. Good morning. How are you today? Repeat now. How are you today? How are you today? I am feeling great today. Repeat now. I am feeling great today. I am feeling great today. Did you sleep well last night? Repeat now. Did you sleep well last night? Did you sleep well last night? Yes, I slept very well. Repeat now. Yes, I slept very well. Yes, I slept very well. Please open the window. Repeat now. Please open the window. Please open the window. It's a beautiful day outside. Repeat now. It's a beautiful day outside. It's a beautiful day outside. Could you please make some tea? Repeat now. Could you please make some tea? Could you please make some tea? Breakfast is ready. Repeat now. Breakfast is ready. Breakfast is ready. Let's eat together. Repeat now. Let's eat together. Let's eat together. What would you like to have for breakfast? Repeat now. What would you like to have for breakfast? What would you like to have for breakfast? I'll have some toast and coffee. Repeat now. I'll have some toast and coffee. I'll have some toast and coffee. Please pass me the butter. Repeat now. Please pass me the butter. Please pass me the butter. The tea tastes really good. Repeat now. The tea tastes really good. The tea tastes really good. Can you help me with the dishes? Repeat now. Can you help me with the dishes? Can you help me with the dishes? Sure, I'll help you. Repeat now. Sure, I'll help you. Sure, I'll help you.
Don't forget to water the plants. Repeat now. Don't forget to water the plants. Don't forget to water the plants. Let's clean the living room. Repeat now. Let's clean the living room. Let's clean the living room. Please fold the clothes neatly. Repeat now. Please fold the clothes neatly. Please fold the clothes neatly. I'm going to take a shower. Repeat now. I'm going to take a shower. I'm going to take a shower. The bathroom is clean now. Repeat now. The bathroom is clean now. The bathroom is clean now. Let's make the bed. Repeat now. Let's make the bed. Let's make the bed. The house looks nice and tidy. Repeat now. The house looks nice and tidy. The house looks nice and tidy. Do you want to watch some TV? Repeat now. Do you want to watch some TV? Do you want to watch some TV? I'll read a book instead. Repeat now. I'll read a book instead. I'll read a book instead. Please lower the volume. Repeat now. Please lower the volume. Please lower the volume. Let's have lunch now. Repeat now. Let's have lunch now. Let's have lunch now. The food smells delicious. Repeat now. The food smells delicious. The food smells delicious. Who cooked today? Repeat now. Who cooked today? Who cooked today? I did. I hope you like it. Repeat now. I did. I hope you like it. I did. I hope you like it. The food tastes wonderful. Repeat now. The food tastes wonderful. The food tastes wonderful. I'll take a short nap. Repeat now. I'll take a short nap. I'll take a short nap. Please wake me up in an hour. Repeat now. Please wake me up in an hour. Please wake me up in an hour. I'm going out for a walk. Repeat now. I'm going out for a walk. I'm going out for a walk. Would you like to join me? Repeat now. Would you like to join me? Would you like to join me? Yes, let's go together. Repeat now. Yes, let's go together. Yes, let's go together. The weather feels pleasant. Repeat now. The weather feels pleasant. The weather feels pleasant.
Let's buy some vegetables. Repeat now. Let's buy some vegetables. Let's buy some vegetables. We are back home. Repeat now. We are back home. We are back home. I'll start cooking dinner. Repeat now. I'll start cooking dinner. I'll start cooking dinner. Please set the table. Repeat now. Please set the table. Please set the table. Dinner is served. Repeat now. Dinner is served. Dinner is served. That was a lovely meal. Repeat now. That was a lovely meal. That was a lovely meal. Let's watch a movie tonight. Repeat now. Let's watch a movie tonight. Let's watch a movie tonight. It's time to sleep. Repeat now. It's time to sleep. It's time to sleep. Good night. Repeat now. Good night. Good night. Now let's see how to use the sentences we practiced in real life. Listen carefully and enjoy this friendly morning conversation between two women at home. Good morning. How did you sleep last night? Pretty well, thank you. I had such a relaxing night. What about you? Not bad, but I had a weird dream. Anyway, please open the window. It's a beautiful day outside. Oh yes, the sunlight feels so nice. Shall I make some tea? That would be lovely. Could you please make some tea for both of us? Sure. Breakfast is ready too. Let's eat together. Perfect. What are we having today? I made toast and eggs. The tea is ready too. It smells amazing. It really does. You make the best tea. Can you help me with the dishes later? Of course. But don't forget to water the plants after breakfast. Good idea. They need some sunlight too. After that, let's clean the living room. Sure. I'll fold the clothes while you start dusting. After cleaning, I'm going to take a shower. All right, I'll make the bed in the meantime. The house looks great today. It really does. After that, I'll read for a bit. I've been wanting to finish my book. Good plan. Let's have lunch afterward. What are you planning to cook? I was thinking of making some rice and curry. Simple but delicious. Yum. I can chop the vegetables while you start cooking. Perfect teamwork. Lunch will be ready soon. Lunch smells wonderful. I'm so hungry. Same here. Let's eat and relax for a while after. Yes, maybe take a short nap too. I really need some rest. Me too. Then we can go for a short evening walk. The weather feels pleasant today. That sounds lovely. We can buy some vegetables on the way back. Good idea. Then we'll cook dinner together. Yes, and maybe watch a movie afterward. It's been such a nice, peaceful day. It really has. All right then, good night. Sleep well. Good night. See you in the morning.
Wow, you did an awesome job today. Keep listening every day. And in just 30 days, you'll speak English like a pro. Don't forget, your one click can help your friends and family learn English for free. So hit subscribe, like, and share, and let's grow together with EduTech.